Hi y'all, if you really need to properly fix on the internet, then you got in the right company. Only the most sticky content in this compilation, from cutting kinetic sand, before making multicolored latte art. Ready to chill? Then let's go! Who would have thought? What from the cutting process? Garden gloves can be experienced almost physical pleasure. That's not a huge lollipop on a stick. Turns out to be exactly so hypnotic. Looks production of all sorts of glass things. Only the most upbeat. Perfectionists will find something in this video. What can you find fault with? Serenity is not magic outside of Hogwarts, just certain areas on this egg covered in wax, which repels moisture. It is not clear what you want now, more grilled sausages, or urgently find the same plant to fluff it up too. Marking on asphalt is a responsible matter, so she is trusted only by performers with perfectly put hand. Someday we will know, why is kinetic sand so eager to eat? In the meantime, a little mesmerizing spectacle. Where to sign the petition to our so flawless? Graffiti was in all cities of the world. Difficult to understand. What's more sticky here, the drawing process itself or the sound? Who publishes this unusual pencil? It's regular toothpaste. Why are the feelings like this? As if I got into a session with a hypnotist. How to ruin a makeup brush, but make a viral video for TikTok. It would seem that Pixar is here. But these shots with aloe rather resemble cutting marmalade true. What can compare to the thrill of shoveling a hoof? Perhaps only watch, as someone else shovels pop it. Probably, if unicorns had a liquid aggregate state, it would look like this. This is such a magical optical illusion, can be printed on a 3D printer. Coming off is just impossible. And how does this man manage to cut wood so easily? Like it's butter. Oh, do you need any words here? Just 5 ingredients. Looks like this, as if this potion was made by Professor Snape himself. And why do we like it so much? When something is destroyed, well, agree. That looks just so damn attractive. Amazing, but knowledge of that. What is this industrial polish? Does not reduce the desire to try it. It seems this smell of freshly cut grass is transmitted, even through the screen. By the way, in the world of confectionery art, there is nothing more ASMR than caramel production. And this is a real explosion of paints in a glass. Most accurate people on Earth, this is the masters of painting traditional dishes. How fascinating that there is so much freedom in these movements and decency. Same time. I wonder what Homer Simpson would say to that. Potter's wheel as a new kind of hypnotic. It's more of some magic potion than just paint. Among the barista, turns out, there are also the real Andy Warhols. When you look at that, how is that sand moving? Automatically start thinking about the passage of time. No need to be Van Gogh to create masterpieces in drawing programs. Hydrographics is pure buzz. Just put your hand in the water with a special film and temporary tattoo sleeve ready. That's all for today. See you in the next episode, and if you liked the video, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.